Yo, my name's Gabe and this is Gabe's Goals, where basically I try new things, learn new skills, and try and teach you what I learned in the process. Today, I got the idea. A couple weeks ago, we had a friend in town and they were filming skits. I was like, let's try and write a skit. So I wrote the storyline, filmed it, edited it, and it's ready to go for you guys. Don't focus as much on camera quality. I had an amazing camera that my friend let me borrow, but obviously we didn't have a lot of time to film this. It was literally like just a couple of hours, and that was it. And so we did our best for what we had, but we definitely didn't have a $1 million production setup or whatever. More pay attention to the storyline and let me know what you think of that. The goal here is to try and trick you into thinking the story went one way when really it went the other. And to try and show you, that was kind of the point of the story that I wrote, was to try and show you that things can seem one way but aren't always that way. So without further ado, let's hop into it, and then I will see you on the other side.
Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Mwah. I've been dreaming of a true love's kiss. Oh my gosh, you scared me.
Hey honey, how did it go while I was gone?
Hi, it was good. I already went to bed.
What'd you guys do?
Well, we made pizza, I painted a little bit, and not much. We watched some TV. It was good. How was your date?
Fun. It was really good. It went really well. Well, thanks so much for pulling down the fort.
Oh yeah, you're welcome. It wasn't that bad.
Great. You and Dad are gonna lock up and go to bed now, so what are you gonna do?
I'm probably just gonna go to bed too.
Alright, well, love you. Good night. See you in the morning. Glad you had a great night tonight. Thanks so much.
Hey, Mom.
Hey Al, how did you sleep?
I slept good.
Good. By the way, could you please get Hunter out for me?
Hunter, get up! What you making?
Swedish pancakes. Sweet. Your favorite?
Yes, they are.
They're so good. Did you get Hunter out?
No. Well, I called for him. That should be good enough. You should be done by now.
Did you not go in and get him?
No. Hunter!
That's weird. Usually he comes right down.
You want me to go check?
Sure. Do you mind?
Yes.
Thanks, hon.
Hunter! Hunter, wake up. Hunter, Mom said to come downstairs. Hey, Mom.
Yeah?
Hunter's not responding. I don't think he's in there.
Hunter, sweetheart, come on down. He's not in there.
I mean, I don't know.
Weird. Okay, you search the whole upstairs. I'm gonna search the downstairs, okay?
Okay.
See if we can find him.
Hunter! Hunter! Get up!
Hunter!
Hunter! It's breakfast! Come on!
Hunter, where are you?
Hunter! Breakfast!
Hunter!
Hunter!
I cannot believe it. So you checked his room. He's legitimately not there.
But Mom.
No, but I cannot believe this. This is so crazy.
But Mom.
No, I'm like freaking out. He's gone.
I know,
Hunter's gone. I'm gonna call neighbors.
But
You
Mom.
call Tyler. No, just listen to me. You call Tyler. I'm gonna call my neighbors.
Hey Tyler, is Hunter at your house? We can't find him.
Hey, Isabel. Yes,
He's
we
not?
can't find Tyler
He's been
anywhere,
gone
and
since this morning.
it's
Are you
crazy.
sure?
I am panicking like
Are you
crazy. He's
able to
not
check?
in his room. He's not
Okay,
anywhere
I'm
in the
sure
house.
he
We're
didn't
looking
come by this
everywhere
morning.
and we can't find him. Is
Yeah,
he at
he
your
left.
house?
We haven't seen
Have
him
you
this
seen him
morning
anywhere
at
in the
all.
neighborhood today? We are
Yeah, we
freaking
checked the
out.
house. Okay, I gotta call some more people.
No. Yes.
Okay, please check
He's
my
nowhere. We've looked everywhere. He's just gone. Like that. I don't know.
Hey,
No, I
Yeah,
don't.
hi.
I seriously don't know. Have you seen him anywhere?
You haven't seen him?
Hunter,
Okay.
please let me know.
If you
okay?
can, yeah,
Thank
please,
you
if
so
you see
much.
Hunter, just let me know, and
Have
I'll
a great
talk to you
day.
later.
Bye.
All right, thank you for your help. See ya.
I called everyone. I called all our neighbors. I couldn't find them.
And I called all of our friends, and none of them have seen them. He wasn't
No.
at Tyler's house. He wasn't anywhere.
No. Allison, I just realized that his water bottle's gone and his sandwich.
Yeah, he's upstairs. What? That's what I've been trying to tell you.
Then why did you call the neighbors?
Because you said to follow your instruction. You told me to call everyone I knew, and you kept cutting me off. He's in his bed.
Seriously?
Seriously? What? Let's go.
Okay, we're halfway through. What? Halfway through? Yes. This is only the halfway mark. Now, it might not be like exactly halfway, but we're in the middle of the story. You think at this point, at least hopefully, that it's fully wrapped up. But let me just ask you a couple questions to see how well you understood what's going on. Number one, what is the sister's name? If you said Allison, you are correct. Number two, who is missing right now, or who was missing this morning? If you said Hunter, correct again. You're doing amazing. Number three, where was Hunter found? If you said in the bed, you're wrong. He hasn't been found yet. It's a trick question. But you might be looking at the bottom of this YouTube video being like, wait, this little bar thing, it's all the way at the end here. Where's the rest of the story? Well, that's where you guys come in. I will post the rest of the story giving you the answer to where Hunter is. Hey, Judy. Hey. Once this video gets to 30 views. So, guys, tell your friends about my channel. Tell your friends about this video. Get this video to 30 views, and then I will post the second half. Can't wait to see you guys until then. If you're not subscribed, subscribe here. If you want to see some of my videos, they'll be around the screen, as well as a subscribe button, probably around the middle. Talk to you later.